Hello fellow operators, fans and customers. Welcome to the first chapter of new era in GEARSKIN online content, tutorials, lab, crash tests and how-to hacks. How about opening this chapter by you hitting the subscribe button? Today I will be presenting you with a novelty in our offer, tested for over a year and found suitable for a very wide array of use, ranging from clothing repair, gear repair, tent repair, stitchless patching of any kind of fabric material you might imagine or use. Let's go to the point. The name of the product is Pocket Repair Circle. So it's a little bit out of focus, but the circular shape is the best option of avoiding any corners and critical areas while it blends into your favorite camo or solid color. It is available in all the camos and shapes we offer on our website. And this is about how it looks like. I will be using the Nyko hydro-coated cloth as an example, while application will be made using the usual suspect, home iron, random common outdoor object, my favorite one, warmed up stone, lighter, and a spoon. I think you know where I'm going. The best practice is to apply some heat and pressure. Things you can do even if you have very limited resources. Heat can be achieved by fire, sun, friction or rubbing, rash and chemical heater, while you can apply pressure just using your thumbs, spoon or a knife. So let's do it. First, I will simulate a puncture, cut, damage, then just use the repair circles and few application methods to demonstrate how freaking awesome these patches are. So I will be using the sponge, just removing all the props, and I will do the damage with the random patches. I will do five damage points. So like a hole, and another one. Let's say a cut, and another cut, and a slightly bigger cut, and a small hole. Okay, all of those are big. Let's do something bigger. Okay. So now we have the damaged fabric with all the holes, and let's start patching it. First, we will apply the pocket patch with iron, which is preheated. Just unpeel, place it, take the iron, just rub it on a second or two. That's it. The second one, as I told you, will be the random outdoor object. This time it's my favorite Airsoft Milsim news blog, and it's a mug I use every day, pretty much every day. So in order to create some heat that will be simulated by fire, for example, I will just use a blowtorch. So yeah, and I forgot to unpeel the next patch, so I will peel it off quickly. I'll just place it on the hole. Oh, I'll just do a bit more heat. That's it. Some rubbing, and the patch is on. Then we have the next hole, which is a slightly smaller one, the one you can go a pencil through. Okay, so we will take a small patch to patch this hole, and as I said, I will use a warmed up stone, but just to bring up a bit of a game, I won't be using a warming technique. I will just try to create some friction on the edges, and that's it. And then we go with the third one. Okay, it's a really small cut, so I will make it a bit bigger. Well, yeah, now it's a nice one. And as I said, I will use a lighter. So in this case, we'll just put it over the hole. And we will light it up a bit. And then rub it, just with bare fingers. The fourth one is done, and then the last one. Again, we have a too small hole, so let's do a bigger one. Yeah, like this. And let's patch it. Place it over the hole, put it on, and use the spoon to create the friction. And that's about it. So in the end, I want you to see the stress test and why this stitchless solution is a perfect add-on to your utility pouch, everyday carry, survival pack, outdoor pack, or just have it in hand in your home. So it comes in packages like this again, and it comes with a handy instructionals. Please follow the instructions and you'll be just fine. Let's see the stress test. So first, you can see all the holes here, and now one by one we will just try to do something that would break the bond, but actually nothing will. And thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, ask questions, order your pack by the link in the description, and if you missed the intro, subscribe to our channel. There is more awesome stuff to come on a regular basis. Thank you very much.